History of Elon Musk. Assalamu alaikum my viewers and friends. Here I come with new interesting video and knowledgeable. Today we talk about the great personality. His name is Elon Musk. Yeah viewers, Elon Musk. The history of Elon Musk is begins from here. He was born in June 28, 1971, age 49, at Pretoria, the city of South Africa. He is a businessman. Start from $5 in a day, and now he earned $3,000 in a single day. $3,000 in a single day. He is a business magnate, industrial designer, and an engineer, and he is the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX. Early investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla. And the 7th January is the day when Elon Musk declared the richest man in the world. And the other side, 7th January 1947, Nikola Tesla dead day. And he was the Doge man named where Elon Musk started the company with the name of Nikola Tesla Company, where all the world used to the debit card. Elon Musk invented PayPal. With the help of PayPal, we share money in any other country. And this is the old talk of 20 years ago, when the whole world used to petrol or diesel cars. Elon Musk started the battery-powered car, electric car invention, where the electric power car. Yeah, friends, electric power car, self-auto car. When he gave the idea of electric car, when the whole world was laughing on him, and saying that no any practical use of electric car in future. But today his company Tesla cars sold out in huge quantity in world, and ever since world. Yeah friend, Tesla cars is sold out in huge quantity in world. Rechargeable car, battery cars, self-autopilot cars. Tesla cars is famous cars. And ever since we have had global warming, Elon Musk thought for the building. Yeah friends, thought for the building on human being on Mars. Building on Mars. To keep alive the human and this charge to keep alive the humanity. And this chart shows that this man is high in technical field, is far ahead of his time. The man in the world richest man, who posted a tweet on Twitter 2018 that money is not important for me. I don't interest to earn money because his half money is doing expense to finish the global warming from the earth, and half of the money is invested to settle the human on Mars. He spoke in 2018, and the man who did not care about the money became the richest man in the world in 2 years. The man who don't interest to earn money, who is the richest man in the world now. He is saying 2 years ago. Elon Musk is good student since childhood, and just in the age of 12 years he learned programming and made the game named Blaster name game, and he sold this game in 37 years ago in $500. Yeah friends, he sold this game before $37 years ago in $500, and you know the value of $500 before 37 years ago in childhood. Students of school beat Elon Musk, but he don't return from home, but still do hard work and get in admission in physics. Then he get admission in PhD, but he left this, and Elon Musk start company with his brother company named Zepto. Forward he sell the company to Compaq. He start the company Zepto with his brother, and after that Compaq buy Zepto in $37 million. Yeah friends, Compaq buy Zepto in $37 million. He gets 7% of Zepto. means $22 million he get. Then spend half of money and generate X.com name company. After 1 year, this company joined with comparative company and then merge. Then generate a new one. Named PayPal. Yeah, friends. Comparative company and then merge to generate a new one. But the task of Elon Musk is not that to earn money. So just stop here. But he still add forward in 2002 eBay buy PayPal in $1.5 billion. He gained $11.55 million. Half of he invests in SpaceX. Half of the money invest in SpaceX and invest the half money to make a company new in SpaceX and he starts the new company named Tesla electric cars. When he started the SpaceX company, he faced so much problems because SpaceX rocket cost none for know the cost of SpaceX rocket. He go Russia where he know the estimate rate of rocket. He go to Russia where he know the estimate rate of rocket is $8 million. Yeah friend, estimate rate of rocket $8 million. Here he noticed that this is so huge amount. Not everyone is going to Mars, but he tried to make this type of rocket who can come safely and use many times. In first time he sent his rocket on other planet, he cannot successful. In every 3 times he does not success. In this mission, here he used all the money continuously. 3 times fail. He used all the company continuously for money for continuously used 3 times. And now he has left enough money for his last attempt. He live on rent in his friend's house. If he is still unsuccessful, maybe SpaceX is closed due to lack of earning. Then in this last attempt, maybe he gets success or lose everything, and this time he sold all the thing and restart the mission. Finally he gets success. Rocket successfully landing. Yeah friend, rocket successfully landing. NASA gave $10 million funding and something similar happened with Tesla. People were not ready to accept that. Electric car replaced the petrol or diesel cars. Yeah friend, electric car replaced the petrol or diesel cars. In starting, electric car prices were so high. First car of Tesla invention is cost of greater than $1 million, double of normal car. That's why this is the not selling in market. Replace the petrol car and rate is so high, that's why it's not selling in market. And the day was come, Tesla received the notice to close the company, and he has only one option to choose, the Tesla or SpaceX. But giving up was not in this dictionary. One side he done the SpaceX mission was successful, and other side he once more tried to build up Tesla Motors with his friends, workers or team members. And now this is the world manufacturing leading company, and now Tesla is the world leading growth company, manufacturing leading company made, and the growth of Tesla car revenues increase regularly in high level, and now he is the world richest man. And this is also being said, the project of Elon Musk is working on SpaceX, Tesla and other company are developing that this thing may be done. He is a trillion in future because he work in very high level project, and some people also said that maybe Elon Musk is a time traveler because he knows the future. This thing is past like inventions, so electric cars, PayPal and so much thing. So now Thanks for watching this video. People are think that maybe he is a time traveler because he know very well everything for manage how to manage everything. And in past, many persons already said that we are time traveler, and but don't prove it. Like that, everyone is saying that, but Elon is a time traveler, but not anyone is proved that, because no any physical and practical thing is present in our front of eye, so show that time travel is possible. That's why I am saying that. Anything in our life, in practical life, and we don't see any type of thing. So this is my video. Everything maybe is a time traveler. So thanks for watching, friends, this video. Maybe Elon Musk is a time traveler. Give your answer in comment section and keep supporting. Like my video, subscribe the channel, and please share my video with your friends for information. Thank you so much, friends.